So this machine has a folder integrated. Basically, here's how I do it. Let's see. I'm going to cut this out. I had started, but I'm gonna start again. Okay, so here's the regular hem. I would go with the sewing machine on top of it, which I had done it before, but then I have to change it to blind stitch. Then I just need to fold it backwards like this. Make sure it's like very close to the blade, and then this folder comes down to keep it perfectly at the same size all around. So then I can go slow or a little bit faster. The folder keeps the fold evenly, and then I just need to do it carefully. And that's the blind stitch overlock sewing machine. Finish the hem. I'm going kind of slow because I haven't used this machine for so long, so I just want to make sure it's sewing it well. And then I had done the top stitch with the regular 1/4 inch cover stitch, but I had to change it to the blind stitch stitching basically. So then once it's done, you can easily open it up, and this is how it looks like. See, that's how the blind stitch looks like. Now I'm gonna do the sleeve hem. What I did earlier, it was the hem of the entire shirt, and then you just bring this down, insert it, and then start sewing. I'm going to show you guys how it looks like when you're done, and then how it should look like when you kind of open up the seam, if you want to call it like that. There we go, we're almost at the end. And then when I'm at the end, I just remove the folder, and then I let the machine pull the remaining area where I need to add the stitch. That's it. I heard the noise. I hope I didn't break a needle. I don't know what happened, but it didn't break the needle. And this is how it works. See? Then I grab another piece, if you want to call it that way. And then when I'm at the end, I get as close as possible, and then I remove this. Then I just continue a little bit more. Then that's done. I clip one thread, and then the other one I just kind of pull it, this, then that's it. Clip it or snip it, and then here's how it looks like. So it looks like it's closed, right? But once you open it up, then you see the stitches come out. So I call a blind stitch, not sure how you guys call it, but this is how it looks like.